Hello and welcome to our video on the top 10 front-load washing machines in India. Front-load washing machines are a popular choice for their efficiency, water saving and cleaning performance. In this video, we will be looking at the best front-load washing machines available in India based on their features, capacity, energy efficiency and customer reviews. Number 10. Mercu by Flipkart. Mercu by Flipkart is a popular brand in India for home appliances. Fully automatic front load with inbuilt heater silver is a washing machine that comes with a range of features. Pros: garment sterilization, inbuilt heater, energy efficient, low noise, multiple washing programs. Cons: limited capacity, no direct drive technology, customer service, noisy dryer. Price. Number 9. Motorola 10.5 kilograms 5-star washing machine. Motorola is a well-known brand that offers various electronic devices, including washing machines. This machine is a feature-packed washing machine that offers various benefits. Pros: large capacity, smart features, inbuilt heater, inverter technology, multiple washing programs. Cons: high price, high noise, big size, poor customer service, no direct drive technology. Number 8. LG 8 kilograms with steam fully automatic front load with inbuilt heater silver. Pros: steam wash, inbuilt heater, smart diagnosis, energy efficient, multiple washing programs. Cons: limited capacity, price, noisy operation, customer service, no direct drive technology. Number 7. BOSCH 8 kilograms drive motor, anti-tangle, anti-vibration, RPM fully automatic front load with inbuilt heater silver. Pros: drive motor, anti-tangle, anti-vibration, RPM, inbuilt heater. Cons: high price, capacity, noisy. Number 6. Samsung 7 kilograms 5-star inverter with Hygiene steam fully automatic front load. Pros: Hygiene steam, inverter technology, digital inverter motor, energy efficient, eco-bubble technology. Cons: limited capacity, price, no inbuilt heater, no direct drive technology. Number 5. IFB 6 kilograms 5-star 2x power steam, hard water wash fully automatic front load with inbuilt heater. Pros: 2x power steam, hard water wash, inbuilt heater, energy efficient, auto imbalance system. Cons: limited capacity, price, noisy, no direct drive technology. Number 4. LG 6.5 kilograms with steam and smart diagnosis fully automatic front load with inbuilt heater. Pros: steam wash, smart diagnosis, inbuilt heater, energy efficient, direct drive technology. Cons: limited capacity, price, noisy, no hard water wash. Number 3. BOSCH 7 kilograms drive motor, anti-tangle, anti-vibration fully automatic front load with inbuilt heater. Pros: anti-tangle, anti-vibration, inbuilt heater, energy efficient, drive motor. Cons: limited capacity, high price, no hard water wash, no steam wash. Number 2. Samsung 6 kilograms 5-star with Hygiene steam and ceramic heater fully automatic front load with inbuilt heater. Pros: Hygiene steam, ceramic heater, inbuilt heater, energy efficient, easy to use. Cons: limited capacity. Price: no hard water wash, no steam wash. Number 1. IFB 6 kilograms 5-star Aqua NI, laundry add, tub clean, fully automatic front load with inbuilt heater white, Diva Aqua VX. Pros: energy efficient, laundry add, inbuilt heater, Aqua energy, tub clean. Cons: after sales service, complexity to use. These are our top 10 picks for the best front-load washing machines available in India. Each machine has its unique features and advantages, so make sure to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right one for you. We hope this video has been helpful in your search for the perfect washing machine. Thank you for watching.